Morning. It's Sunday, 8 a.m. September 12th. Back for my weekly weigh-in. Yeah, I know I missed last week. No real reason for that. Weigh-in was not great, but weigh-in was in the right direction. I lost, I think it was 0.4 pounds. Now today, I didn't weigh in because I drove to Kingston to where my work truck's parked, and decided to do my weigh-in yesterday, a day early. So it was still a good weigh-in though, even though it was a day early. Lost 3 pounds, 3.2 pounds, something like that. And so yeah, pretty happy. The last 2 weeks went well. Main reason for no weigh-in video last week, just lazy. Life got a hold of me. Not lazy, and I did my exercise, but just lazy and putting some video together and editing and posting it. So sorry about that, but wasn't, like I said, wasn't too exciting, but it's still in the right direction. And I'll add a few clips here now about what we did do last Sunday after the weigh-in, and hopefully you enjoy that. It's clips of the air show, Toronto Air Show, that we went down to last weekend. Yeah. Like a dragon. That's 9 of them, Kaylee. So, yeah. Other than that, been keeping up the diet, pretty much sticking to it. A couple days of overeating healthy foods like cashews or pistachios. Exercise, I'm hitting my exercise all the time. I had a couple firsts this past week. I ran my first sub 12-minute mile. First one this year. It's been 11 or 12 years since I've been able to do that. So I was happy about that. I did that last Thursday. So yeah, I haven't done it since, but it's possible, and keep at it, and I'll get every mile lower than 12 minutes a mile. The other first was just yesterday. I ran up the hill without stopping on the south end of my home park, Earl Bales Park. So the next goal is to do that on the north end of the park, which is I think the same elevation, but it's on a shorter distance. So it's a lot tougher hill to climb. So one day I'll run that too, but I was happy to run that hill yesterday. So yeah, good couple weeks. I'll see you next week for the next weigh-in. Have a good week.